Setting up for the sound. What kinds of things should we know?
Setting up for the sound.
Yeah.
This is the master fader. And then here you have a signal coming in this case CD. And you put at 0 dB. And here also 0 dB. Then you have a nice overview of the system. Then you can adjust its gain like these knobs. This is logarithmic. This is only plus 4 dB or minus 10 dB. If you have if it's too loud, you adjust this with this knob, not with this one. This is the master fader. It controls all the rest. This is the end stadium of the volume. This is how loud or how soft you want it to be. So that's in fact you have 8 or 12 different channels. 4 mono channels and 4 stereo channels. It means it's 2 channels on 1 strip. You have here an equalizer. This means the frequency equalizing. It is the high, the mid. Then you can the high mid, the low mid, and the low end. This we don't need. This is effects according to this one, but you don't need. And this is left or right. Now it's on the right, and this is on the left of the stage. Here is we have a bass solo now. We can adjust a little bit more bass. We can play with it, and that's basically it. This is we're connected to the CD DVD player. This is connected to the at the pole. There is a connection for the laptop or a computer's audio. Again, it's the same thing, but it's all on this channel. So you have to, if you have a signal coming in from there, you pull up the volume here, and then you have a sound over the room, right? That's it. Here the microphones. Again, it's the same. You adjust the sensitiveness of the signal, and then you go through all these stages again: compressor, equalizing, and then left-right panning, and then you push the volume. Actually, if it's all set up, you just play with these knobs. These are the volume, so I can. So this is a microphone. 2, 1, 2. If I can now adjust with 2. I don't have a voice anymore, but I have a lot of music, and I have low music and a lot of voices. So you can check out the balance. Now I can talk, and I have a nice music on the background. So that's it. Well, that's.
So the common mistakes again, sorry, were what?
Is adjusting the volume with the gain knobs, which is wrong because you change the whole setup you've made. So this is the volume, that's where you have to play with. Okay. The stable is all set up. You have a CD for 7 microphones, you have CD player, you have the laptop. So everything is set up. You shouldn't actually come and touch these knobs at all. You just push up the volume, the main, and then play with these faders. Let's create a feedback.
Okay.
Let's create a feedback.
Okay. If there's feedback, this is what we do.
There's a feedback to feedback. That's the feedback. Yes. So I put up here's too much gain.
Okay.
So I put on mute. So here. So I don't have a feedback anymore. I just turn everything left of the gain. And now I don't have a feedback anymore. I can adjust with the signal here, just the sensitiveness of the signal, and then it's all fixed.
What is gain exactly?
Gain is if you have some people are talking like this away from the microphone, then you can adjust a little bit more. But you see here, you get more, it's like an ice cream, you get a lot of noises here. So you don't see the micro and ice cream, just do both and then you get a nice signal.
Okay. Is there a normal level that the gain should be set at?
It depends on the voice, on the source, or the,
Okay.
the instrument, or whatever.
I see.
But
Okay.
this is the knob. But don't play, if it's set up, don't play again with this because you're changing everything again.
Yeah.
Then play with this, with the volume.
Okay.
Right?